welcome to Charlie's Crafty Kitchen, where you can eat what you make. I'm gonna do a dare to lick this chili. I really so badly want to have a try. Mum won't let me, but I'm gonna do it. I can't wait to do a dare to lick this chili. That's because we have to break it inside. Ready? No, I don't want to break it, Charlie. I want it like that. Ready, set, go! Oh my gosh, I never knew it was like that. Ah! It's so spicy! 120! Bitch! You have a go? No, do it. I dare you. Oh my gosh, Mom was so right! I did one tiny touch, it was so spicy! So stinky! Look at the inside.